So there's quite a few draw runner systems out there. This is a kind of classic ball bearing full extension. These are quite simple to fit and there's some really good jigs, but I didn't actually want to see any mechanism on the side of the drawer. And also this gives you about 12 millimeters that you lose, whereas this is super thin and you can actually get the drawer within about 3 mil of the edge, which is plenty for a fit. Now, some of these systems look quite daunting. You get this front section for release and adjustment on this one. I'll put a link in the description, but they're really simple to fit. If you turn it over, you can see what happens. We locate the back. That snaps into there, if you can see. So there's no fixings at all. We've just got onto the drawer, we've just got this little hook, and that's been screwed on, and then that fits, and then you can see how this works. This is a push to open system. On the units we're building here, it's going to be a handle just with a soft close, but it's the same principle, same mechanism, really simple. Press that button to release, and that would be your drawer. Okay, pretty simple. Can be some dominoes in here. This is drawer number 1, done in one part, and then it's going to be routed and shaped here, and Marmoleum on the front. So there's the cuts, and to compensate for the slight curve, I just marked on the first template on the sander, just rounded that end off, saves any chiseling of ply. So I've never had a problem with Domino breaking on even on a forward joint, but just to make sure on these drawers, I'm going to just fire a little mini nail right in the seam. You won't see. just simply slot on. It's very hard to show this, but if you push them back, line them up, that's pretty much, that's it.